Hey, what's up, y'all? So right here I have a pair of Air Max 1s in field purple and white and neutral gray. Now, Air Max 1s, these came out in 1987, I believe. So it's a classic silhouette. I definitely like them so far. So, materials, you can see the leather toward the bottom, rubber outsole, obviously, suede upper, and and mesh in the front. So I got these on sale from Foot Locker's website. They were having a 20% off sale. So instead of 150, I think they were down to like 120. Now there is a controversy on the sizing. Some people think you should get these true to size. Some people think that you should get these half size up. So for me personally, I was able to get these true to size and they fit just fine. Now, if you have, for example, wide feet, then yes, you might need to go ahead and go up half a size for that extra comfort. But again, for me personally, I was able to get away with these true to size. But, it's a clean shoe, especially for going into the spring and the summer. So this is the Air Max 1, field purple and white. So again, here probably a better view. Air Max 1, field purple. Like I said, very clean colorway. White with the purple. The gray suede, white mesh. I'll definitely be wearing these this spring and summer.